Hello friends, I welcome you to my channel Com Concepts Pro. Here I'll explain you the technical concepts related to computer theory and programming. In today's video, we are going to see how to delete an element from an array. Deletion refers to removing an element from the list. In the process of deletion, after deleting a particular element, we have to shift the succeeding elements to their previous index positions in the list. But this is not required if we are deleting the last element of the array. We don't need to do any shifting in this case. Now let's understand the process of deletion with the help of an example. Suppose this is an array from which we want to delete an element. So let's say if we want to delete the element at index position 0. So now this is the resultant array. So as you can see here, the elements from the succeeding index positions have shifted to one previous index position. So 54, which was at index position 1, has come to index position 0. 13 from 2 has come to 1, and like that all the elements have shifted to their previous positions. Let's see it in another way. Let's say this time we want to delete the element at the index position 2. So this is the resultant array. So the elements at index position 0 and index position 1 have stayed intact, but after deleting the element which was at index position 2, which was 13, now the elements which were there at the succeeding index positions had come to the previous index positions, like 20 has come from 3 to 2, 39 has come from 4 to 3, and like that. Let's understand the concept of deletion from an array with the help of this program. So after including all the necessary header files and namespaces, I will start writing the code inside the main function. This is the array from which we will delete any element. All these are the variables that we will require during the course of the program. First of all, I will ask the user to enter the actual size of the array. Although the maximum size of the array is 50, then also still I will ask the user to enter the actual size of the array. Then user itself will enter the elements of the array. Now I will ask the user to enter the element which the user wants to delete from the array. Now for the process of deletion, I will have to use a couple of loops. So first I will use a for loop which will run from index position 0 up to the 1 less than size of the array. Now inside this for loop, I have to keep on checking whether the element of the array matches with the element that user wants to delete. So if this condition becomes true, that means if any element of the array matches with the element to be deleted, then we have to shift the remaining elements one position up. Now here this for loop will start from j equals to I. That means it will start from that index position where we have found the match, and it will run up to the end of the array. Now here with this particular statement, we are shifting all the elements to their previous index positions. Now I will need to make the count variable +1. Initially in the beginning of the program, I had set this count variable equals to 0. Then I will break the loop. That means I will come out of this loop and go in this else part of the program that element has deleted successfully. If suppose the count is still 0, that means the program did not enter inside this if loop. This means this condition did not come to true at any point of time in the program. That means we did not find the element in the array. So after printing this message, the program should end here. Otherwise, after deleting the array, after deleting the element, this statement should be printed on the screen, and we can print the resultant array on the screen with the help of this for loop. Now I'll run the program. Before that, compile it. Enter array size. Just for the convenience, I'll enter the array size as 5. Enter the array elements. Randomly, I can enter any element. Enter the element to be deleted. Suppose I give the enter element 7. Now the array is 3921. As you can see, the element 7 has been deleted from the array, and the remaining elements have shifted to the previous index positions.